Hey everybody, right now I'm going to teach you how to do a lattice 2x2 method multiplication. So the lattice method is kind of simple really. It looks really complicated. I'm not going to put a photo of it because you'll see. But you need to be pretty good at drawing, like at drawing straight lines. I am not. So basically you want to just draw a square. Like it could be like a little bit iffy. So like we're just going to be doing this. Then you want to separate it into a couple groups, like four equal groups. So the question will be 13 times 21. Alright, so it's kind of messy. I'm sorry. So then you basically you draw lines across and you make them go out a little bit, like so. This is just setting up your lattice. Alright, so you go 13, 21. So first you do 3 times 2, right? Or you can do 1 times 1 or 1 times 2, whatever you want, right? So let's start with 3 times 2, right? The answer, we all know, is 6. So if there's under 10, which there will be a lot of, judging by our problem, you put the answer in the bottom right if it's under 10, and then you put a 0 up top. Fair? Now 1 times 1. Alright, so you know the right one to put it in, right? Because this obviously, because 3 and 2 are connected here. 1 and 1 will be connected here. 1 and 2 will be up here. And 1 and 3 will be down here. Because that's just where they connect. So 1 and 1, they're in the far corner. So we all know 1 times 1 is 1. So you put an O1. Then you have a 1 times 2. That's obviously 2. And then you have a 3 times 1. So that's going to be 3. So now comes the tricky part. So make sure to follow along. You see this? 6, 0, 1. And they're like, you know, it's like a row because they're using these lines to judge that. 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. O plus 2 plus 0 is 2. And 0 plus 0 plus, yeah, that's 0. So you got your answer, 273. So now we try that. 13 plus, times 21 equals 3. That's correct. And then 3 times 1, 1 times 1, 1x. I mean, can I not scroll down on this? So, okay, sorry. 1321. Gotta do that smaller. Remember, this is just to show your work and it's a strategy, but it doesn't really save that much time. It's mainly used to show your work. So 13 x or 0, whatever you like to put there. And now you have to do 3 times 2. That's 6. And 2. Line, add them together. 3, 7, 2. Boom. That is how to do the 2x2 lattice method. Quick review. You create the lattice using a box, split it into 4 quadrants. You make lines across every single one of these and make them go out a little bit. And then you do the ones in the top right corners in the top right box, the top right and bottom right box, top left and top right, top left box, and top left and bottom right down here. I mean, not top left, but like, you know what I'm talking about. Alright? And then those go down there. Then you judge these by using these lines to judge it. And like, so like 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2, and so on. And then you get your answer. Pretty much. You can prove it by doing this. I'll do a tutorial on this later. So I know it's not extremely neat, but yeah, that is basically how to do the basic lattice method. You can also do this with like 1 by 1 if you really want, like 3, 6, 1, 8. You're like 8 and 1, but that would be kind of pointless, judging how you already have the answer here. Alright, there's no need to prove that, but yeah, you can basically do it with anything. It's just that it may get a little complicated when you go to like 3 by 2, because then you have to have like 3 rows and 2 columns. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and yeah, just yeah, reach out through the comments in our later videos if this helped you or not. If this helped you, subscribe, like the video, and check out our other ones. Check out John's Edits, and I really hope you learned something. So yeah, thank you.